Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy powder. Start by choosing a base sugar and a water-soluble flavor like cotton candy or fruit concentrate, then gently mix in a small pinch of citric acid for brightness and optional color. Process the mixture in short pulses until it becomes a fine, even powder, scraping down the bowl once to ensure uniform texture and avoiding overheating the sugar. Gather your ingredients and measure precisely to keep flavor balanced and texture consistent. Use 3 parts superfine sugar to 1 part flavored powder or a few drops of concentrated extract, and include a pinch of citric acid if you want a tart note. Add just a drop or 2 of liquid color or a scant 1/4 teaspoon of powdered dye to achieve pastel shades. Keep ingredients dry to avoid early clumping. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is perfect for picking up stray sugar and sprinkles after your candy experiments, and voice control keeps your hands free for mixing. It navigates around chairs and has strong suction for tiny grains, making cleanup effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Work in small batches to maintain control and avoid overheating the sugar during processing. Pulse for 1 to 2 second intervals and check texture frequently, then pass the powder through a fine mesh sieve to catch stray granules. If the mix clumps, dry it briefly in a low oven or serve immediately and store cooled. Always label jars with flavor and date and keep them in a cool, dry place to prolong shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.